Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan ra Shipai da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ka Jingwan Poi jong ki Shipai Navy hapo ka East Gentia Hills District haka mates ni Satjan jong ka khat tarik ubanai jileo arajar arpuai kala ai jing Krem baka ne ka kinhon Shipai Duryao kan sala aban yo sei ki Sahkut ki Nongbylla ki bala Sahkut hapo ka Krem ti doyong ka bala Krem nado ka lai po tarik ubanai jimmang arajar arpuai haka jingya keren bat kilat pathai kubor menteri rangba ka jella u konrat sangma uloong baka Sorkar kadang up ya ka kaipot nakane ka kunhon Shipai kabaladon hakasnong umpleng bat ka badang treshitom banyo sei yakini ki Sahkut ki Nongbylla ti doyong ki bala Sahkut hapo kani ka Krem.
We have called the Navy, so we are waiting for reports from them. So they are going to try their best. Of course, we know from last year that they require certain level of water to be taken out. So those aspects are still being worked at. It's not an easy situation with the water continuously, even after we pumped out, rises up again. So therefore, all aspects have been taken, but we did not want to take any chance as such. So therefore, we are trying to pull and bring everybody on board to try to help us. So Navy has come, NDRF is there, the State Disaster Force has already been working for a long time there. We are communicating with Coal India and other organizations also. So we have activated as many channels as possible. As I said, even the Navy has been called in. So we are still hoping that we'll be able to get something positive response out of this entire exercise.